I'm Gloria Brooks, founder of Nature Glows eScience. So today I want to talk about fractions introduction using the Phet interactive simulations. So go ahead and hit subscribe and give me a like, as I will be sharing some more awesome math and science homeschool goodness. So let's dive in. Here we are at the Phet interactive simulations. And I'm going to invite you to do what John Holt suggests, which is giving your kids the link to this simulation and just give them, don't say much about it. Just say, hey, check this out. It's really cool. And just allow them to do free play. And what this does is just really miraculous. Once your kids have unlimited free play with virtual manipulatives like this, when you introduce instruction, it'll come much easier to them. Wherein traditionally what we're taught through our public education system is to shove instruction down the throats of students. But the best way to do it is to offer them the resources and the tools, allow them free playtime, because the language of childhood is free exploration, free play, without adult instruction first. Now, when kids ask for instruction, you give it to them, of course. And this methodology can fit and suit all homeschool styles, not just unschoolers. Let's dive in. So here we have an introduction. Let me go ahead and remove my video so that you can see this better. All right, so we have at the top, we have access to different manipulatives here, virtual manipulatives. We have green circles. I like to imagine them as Granny Smith apple pies. You can use these red strips, yellow rectangles, these water-filled cylinders, a chocolate cake with a green candle, and a number line. So we'll start with the Granny Smith apple pies. And there you can see we have the numerator, the denominator. You can pick how many Granny Smith apple pies you want. Say you want 2. And you can see how you can manipulate the numerator and the denominator here. So we can increase the denominator with both whole pies having 3 pieces. And then you filling them in, dragging and dropping here. So, and this is not a formal instruction on how to do fractions. I'm merely introducing you to this great tool that your kids can use to learn fractions with. Okay, let's play around with the chocolate cake. And we can do 3, and there's an illustration of 7/3, 7/4. So you get the idea. And then the number line, the same principle here. You can just drag this green dot, this Granny Smith apple green dot. Maybe you could pretend it's a Granny Smith apple. That's illustrating 11/4. Okay. All right. And then you can erase the whole thing and start from the beginning. All right. And next we have the games. So you can choose your level, starting with this one. Let's see. So what we can do, so what you do is you look over here and it tells you what you're to build. So we can start with 1/3. So we want 3 pieces here. And then we drag over, or drag up rather, 1/3 and see if our answer is correct. And it'll ding if it's correct. If it's not correct, I'll illustrate what happens when it's not correct. Let's just do this. And yeah, so that lets you know when the answer is incorrect. All right, so here we have 1 whole. So what I'll do is erase that and do that and slide it over. That is correct. All right, so you get the idea there. Now we'll move on to the lab. So this is where your kids can just freely explore creating and building their own fractions. You can pick between circles. Maybe we can call this a cherry pie. All right, and then what you do is you just build these and then move them to the side. So there's no like right or wrong. There's no correcting by the simulator here. So next you can just build, they can just build the next one. Let's see. Drag that down here like that. You can add another one, add your pieces, fill them in. Let's just say we want, oops, not that one. All right, so we have 2/6. All right, and then they just keep going. All right, now I wonder what happens if you build an incorrect one. So let's add another one. So let's say, let's add 2 of them. And we do this. And let's just say, whoops, 3/4. So I'm going to make this incorrect. And I don't think it really does anything actually. All right, so, you know, if they want to self-correct, if they want to be corrected, then they would use the game or the intro. Well, the game actually does the correcting. All right, so that's just an introduction to Phet's interactive simulator. I hope that you enjoyed this demonstration. Again, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and a like. I'd love to hear comments. If you're going to use this interactive simulator in your homeschool math, let me know. I'd love to hear about it. Also, I want to invite you into my Math Learning Secrets program. It's actually an e-guide. It's over 40 pages. It's a quick read guide helping you liberate yourself, your homeschool, from math drudgery through real life learning. And yeah, so click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on the inside of Math Learning Secrets. Thank you for watching. Also, click around this video to watch other videos, as I have more homeschool math and science goodies for you.